here's another Web 2.0 site, WordPress.com. Now, you've probably heard of WordPress. You may well use it on your own site. WordPress is a fantastic platform that everyone should use. But what a lot of people don't realise is that you can host a WordPress blog on WordPress.com. Now, of course, the benefits for this, for you, are they appear in the search engines, search engine traffic, and so on. And obviously people will find it on WordPress.com. Here you are. They have 4 million blogs. There's 165,000 new posts and 49 million new words today here at WordPress.com. And you can see there's lots of tags down here. Popular ones, politics, obviously with the American elections going on at the moment. There's news departments and so on and so forth. So there's quite a bit of information here. You can click on sign up now, okay? And you just create a username, password, confirm, and an email address. That's all you need to do. So you can get a blog as well and see that username.wordpress.com. So create your username as a keyword, one of your keywords. A lot of them will be gone, so you're may have to put dashes or something like that in it, but still you can create your username.wordpress.com. That's going to help your search engine rankings. So I'm going to sign up here, so I suggest you do the same. I'll see you on the other side in a minute, and let's see what we can find out about what WordPress.com will do for us. Okay, now if you got this far, you will have realised that WordPress's password policies are fairly strict, so you've obviously got to think about a decent password. So I'm going to pick weight loss tips for you and put in easy weight loss tips for you as the blog title. Yes, I'd like it to appear in the search engines. You want it to appear in the search engines. Half the reason of running this is for the search engines to pick it up, and of course there are all the benefits of being in there. Only lowercase letters and numbers allowed. Oh, okay, I'll put in capital letters. So weight loss tips for you. Okay, that's me being neat, I'm afraid. So let's see. Oh, that blog. Let's put 2 on the end for you too. There you are. Okay, so it's sent me an email. Okay. So you just got to wait for your activation email. So when you get your activation email, then you can go on and you can set up your blog. So go and check your inbox. The activation email will be there very, very quickly. It always is with WordPress, and I'll see you on the other side in a moment. Once you get your activation email, they'll remind you of your username and password, and then you can log in. Here's the login screen, so enter your username and password and check Remember Me. Now, for those of you that use WordPress, this is actually going to be a very, very familiar experience for you, because it's WordPress, surprisingly enough. And you know, what you can do is exactly like WordPress. So basically the premise here is for you to go to WordPress.com and create a WordPress hosted blog and put some entries in it, make hyperlinks in there, anchor text, so that basically what happens is it's going to appear in the search engines and it's going to boost your main site. So WordPress.com, your blogs there, are basically going to act as feeder sites to push traffic and search engine love to your main sites. Now, of course, it's free, so what's wrong with creating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different WordPress blogs, all based around different sets of keywords to help boost you up? I mean, doing that, you can really dominate the search engines. Now, I'm going to assume that you know how to use WordPress. It's a video course in its own, and I'm not going to go through that here right now. But you can visit WordPressDemystified.com for that. But here you are. Look at blog stats. Tell you who's visited your site. Okay, loads and loads of information here. You set it up just like you set up WordPress. So please have a mess around and set them up. As I said, you want to set up at least one